Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's topic is coordinate covalent bond or dative covalent bond. Students' learning outcome. Students will be able to understand coordinate covalent bond, some important definitions related to coordinate covalent bond, and examples of coordinate covalent bond. Learning resources, lecture method, multimedia, and PowerPoint. Number one is lone pair. The non-bonded electron present on an atom is called electron pair or lone pair, like electron present on nitrogen in ammonia. If we look at the structure of ammonia, there are 5 electrons in the outermost shell of ammonia. So it can share 3 electrons with other hydrogen atoms and 2 electrons remain unpaired. These unpaired electrons are called lone pairs. Number 2. Donor atom. The atom or a molecule who donate electron pair are called donor atoms. All Lewis bases will act as donor atom because they have free electron, so they can donate it to other molecule. All those atoms who have lone pair will donate it to other molecules, so all these atoms who have lone pair will donate electron to other molecules. Acceptor atom definition. The bounded atom or a molecule who gain electron pair are called acceptor atom. All Lewis acid will act as acceptor atom because they have incomplete octet or electron deficient. Like the structure of boron trifluoride, there is a central atom boron who has electron deficiency, so it will accept pair of electron from other atoms. In case of proton, there is a positive charge, so it is electron deficient atom, so it can accept electron pair. What is coordinate covalent bond? The type of bond which is formed between two atoms when the shared pair of electron is donated by one of the bonded atom. In this bond, one atom donate its electron pair to other atom. So a coordinate covalent bond is formed. General example. Let us suppose A is an electron deficient atom who has positive charge and B has electron. So B donate its electron to A and form a coordinate covalent bond. So B donate electron, it will act as donor. A will accept electron, so it will act as acceptor atom. By donating electron from B to A, they form a coordinate covalent bond. Remember one thing, that in coordinate covalent compounds, when donor and acceptor atom react with each other, a single product is formed. The single product is called an adduct. Examples. Let us explain the reaction between ammonia and proton. In this reaction, nitrogen of ammonia have lone pair of electron, so donate its lone pair to the proton who is electron deficient atom. The donation of electron is representing by a small arrow whose direction is always from donor atom to acceptor atom. Look at their example. In ammonia, there is a nitrogen who have lone pair and there is a proton who is positive charge electron deficient atom. Nitrogen will donate its electron to the proton. The small arrow shows that the electron pair donate from nitrogen to hydrogen. So the arrow direction will always be from donor to acceptor atom. Number 2. Reaction between ammonia and boron trifluoride. When boron trifluoride reacts with ammonia, a coordinate covalent bond is formed because boron is electron deficient atom and nitrogen of ammonia have lone pairs of electron. As I already been explained that in boron trifluoride, boron is electron deficient atom, so it will accept lone pairs from nitrogen. By accepting lone pair from nitrogen, a single compound is formed which is called an adduct. So this is a coordinate covalent compound. Its examples and some important definitions related to coordinate compound. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.